getting ready.
Say hi, everybody.
Hi.
We are on our way to see the fireworks.
What?
I just finished drinking my natural juice. It felt so good, so right. I needed it. I love drinking natural juices. Now we're on our way. Going to see the fireworks.
Look at that mouth.
See the view. We're on our way.
Yeah. We're on our way. We're on our way to the beach. Chilling and grilling with my family.
All right. You sound like you got a little rapping game going on there.
Stole that one from me. I made that up.
Oh, I like it.
I know I just forgot.
But I didn't say sunny hot day on the beach, chilling and grilling with my family.
You still stole all that because I said the same thing.
But I didn't say the sun part.
Okay, we are here. You ready, O'Brien?
Yes?
Awesome.
What are you doing?
Just go ahead, sing your rap. Sing your rap. You was just rapping. Let everybody hear you rap. Sing it loud. Don't get shy now.
A sunny hot day on the beach, chilling and grilling with my family.
You stole that from me.
What is it?
Was what?
What is it?
You're trying to remember what I said, but now you got.
We'll be parking now.
Day 2 night, we're gonna make
No,
it
you
right.
bet- you
And I skipped the part.
Yeah, what I said was actually it's a sunny hot day on the beach, chilling and grilling with my family, having fun. This is blah, 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 blah.
We parking over here. Over here. Let's see if we can get one of those. Well,
Came early, but everybody was thinking of singing. Let's get to the beach
we can
early.
park right there in front of the playground. Y'all want to go up park like right there?
Yeah, we could do that.
Because there's a couple of spaces. Over there. Playground.
Playground.
There's one right in front.
Okay, everyone, we are at our destination. This is how our view is looking. We are right at the water, so we are going to have a nice clear view of fireworks tonight. We're super excited. And look, I even have my grandson with me.
One wedge.
Say hi, Bobby. Say hi.
Here.
Hi. You're hiding. Say hi. It is so beautiful out here. So beautiful. Say hi, Bobby.
It's real low. I wouldn't even try.
Well, they went all the way over there.
You say hi.
Walking in the water.
What there?
They walked all the way over there. Really don't walk to the island. Really?
Look who's hanging with Grandma today. Say hi, Bubby. Say hi.
How come
Bubby is hanging with Grandma at the beach. We're going to watch the fireworks.
Real.
They're walking.
This will be his first firework. Oh my goodness.
They're walking.
I wonder how he is going to react to these fireworks tonight.
Walking on the water.
You say hi, Bubby?
In the water.
They're walking all the way to the other side of the. They're walking all the way to the rocks. Wow, I can't believe it. I could believe it because I'm seeing it right now. But
It feels so good to be outside.
I would.
In the sun on the beach. We're having so much fun.
I want to try that.
You gonna try that?
Yeah, I want to try that.
Only way I'll do it if I'm not bringing.
This setting is so beautiful. What happened? How was dinner?
Good.
Good, that's good.
You ain't going over there by yourself.
Time to walk out of there.
Where you trying? You gonna start walking out here? You gonna walk on the water? Look at him trying to get up. He having a good time at the beach. Look at him. I'm gonna ask you one more time. Thank you.
I'll finish your fish and then I'll give you another one. Finish the fish.
Whoa, where you going? Where you going? See, I'm trying to get up. I'm trying to get away. Say hi. Say hi, everyone. Hi. Say hello. He is so happy out here on the beach. Say, I'm so happy. Hey, Bubba. Hi. Say hi. Say hi. That's a good smile for everyone. Yay. Say, I'm out and about on the beach having fun with family. Yay. Hooray.
No shot.
My little guys are happy to be out today. They are having a race.
Half his body in the water.
So let's start
See that,
over
George?
here.
Look at him. See how busy he is? You see that? Give me. You can't have that. No, thank you. Yes, I'm recording you.
What?
You burying my baby under the sand.
No, I told you. Asking is, did you nanny?
Oh, yeah.
That's asking. And I told you.
Y'all better stay out of grown folks' conversation. Oh my goodness, he's being buried alive. Well, you told him to do that, right?
Am I like a fish?
What'd he say?
You know what time it is.
You know what time it is?
Are you okay?
No,
What's wrong with you?
he's burying me alive.
Oh my goodness, you said you told him to. You said you told him to.
What? My feet is frozen. Did you know that?
Oh,
They going out this far?
Yeah, see how they're not moving?
What's the matter? Somebody's getting sleepy, y'all.
This is enough.
I'm getting sleepy.
Why?
Say hi, I'm getting sleepy. The sun is soon to set. It's almost fireworks time. Are you ready, Baba? Are you ready?
Help me.
Yeah, you ready? Say, I'm ready. It's okay. My guys are winding down now, getting ready for the fireworks. Only my crew. Popcorn on the beach.
I'm only eating popcorn just because I wanna. Watching fireworks, I like watching movies.
It's like watching a movie. That's a good way of putting it. Very cool.
Like a movie with fireworks, and then there's gonna be like another star.
Oh, okay. Enjoy your
But
popcorn.
this is the start of the movie.
This the start.
Yeah, and the middle is gonna be the fireworks, and the last one is when we leave.
And the last part is when we leave.
Yeah, so that's the movie.
That's the movie. Oh, okay. That will be the end of the movie. That will conclude the movie, right?
Yeah, we're in the movie.
Oh, okay. Enjoy your popcorn. My other guy over there hiding.
He doesn't want to be in the video. He's scared. Come here, come here, come here. Stay high. Movie. Because this is part of the movie.
Bubba, you ready for the fireworks? Are you ready?
I hear fireworks.
Are you ready?
Yes. And the movie is still starting, so the movie is still here. And why there's all these people acting in this movie? This is a lot of people. Why is a baby even acting in the movie too? Just can't take babies in movies.
What in the world? When you grow up, you're going to be an actor too, because you know how to make yourself cry. Let me see you make yourself cry for the people.
Okay.
That quick. Y'all see the tear? This boy going to grow up and be an actor.
That's all I said.
Oh, don't cry. What's wrong? Why you crying? He's perfectly fine. He know how to make himself cry like actors. I can't. You're going to make your mama a lot of money when you get older, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I can't take babies being actors, okay? Just... Yeah.
He is such an actor. You crying? You got a tear?
Just can't keep babies inside these actors. Just
It's
can't.
too funny. You just can't.
I just can't let babies acting in the movie.
You just can't.
I just can't. What did I say? I just can't. I just can't let babies act in movies.
Where the tears at? You got more tears?
I just can't. I can't. I can't. I can't. I can't. I can't.
So this little one, he's perfectly fine. He's happy. He's been having a good day. And he's such an actor. He know how to say things and just make himself cry out of nowhere. I don't know. Anybody's making a movie and you need a little boy that know how to make himself cry when nothing is wrong, that's this one right here.
I'm so close. I just had 4 juices. Oh, I had 3 last time, and this is my 4th
What's
one.
taking you so long to open that juice?
Because
Oh man.
I don't know how to open juices, and I just can't see babies inside movies. That's why I just can't.
There's a fire over there.
Ah!
That fire's in there.
I don't like fires. What did I just say?
You're so silly.
What do I feel?
Y'all see the tear?
What did I feel? A tear!
You're so silly. Okay, enough. Cheer up, old. Cheer up, old. No more fake crying. Y'all need
I
a
just can't
a
take
baby actor, a
babies.
young actor
I
in your
just
movie.
can't-
This is
I
the
just-
one.
I can't
Y'all
take
find
the
them.
wow. I can't take the wow.
You're gonna make your mama a lot of money. Them fake tears, boy.
I can't take the wow from Jordan. He said wow.
Open your juice,
Do
boy.
it every wow. Do it every wow.
You hiding under the popcorn? You so
Ah!
silly.
You gonna spill all of it out.
It's not on you. That's it.
Like this video and subscribe. Give it a thumbs up.